YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing some hair that I purchased from this hair company on Instagram. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section, and subscribe. Support me. You're here. I appreciate the support. But let's just get right into the video. So as you guys heard me mention a few videos back that I was going to be, trying to source good, affordable hair for you guys, I found this hair company. Now, full disclosure, I'm not sure if I'm actually going to post this video. So right now we're at the end of January, so I don't know if it'll go up and when it'll go up, but I figured I would film it because you guys know my promise to you is if I'm going to be unpackaging some hair, it has to be on camera, because I feel as though the experiences I've had in the past have not been favorable. But the reason that I said that I'm not sure if I'm going to post it, because, eventually I think I want to do something in the beauty industry, and if I end up doing something where I do make wigs or do hair or do makeup or do nails, most business owners are not going to give out their source for their product. So that would be really like the only caveat. But I purchased this because, as you guys know, I've been wearing my Juicy Hair Affair wig, like the hair that I made, the hair that I have, that I made the wig out of. I've been wearing that as like an everyday work wig. I really don't want to, but the hair is like reliable. And that's what I need when I'm at work. I don't want to be out here, looking crazy. I want to be out here looking decent. But it's long. It's 26 inches. And what happens is that, you whip your hair back and forth, and it gets caught on stuff, and it's ripping the hair out. And that bothers me to my core. If anybody knows, I don't like cutting good hair. So to have it like ripped out is very bothersome. So I'm like, you know what? Why not take this opportunity to try another hair company, get something a little bit shorter, a little bit better for work, and I can just make a wig while I don't have my nails done. Ooh, is that ash? That is ash. Before I go on my vacation. So that's where we're at. And this hair was affordable. I paid $211.60. Is that what it says? Let me get this receipt out. That's what I see through this little plastic baggie here that they have. Try to make sure I don't show my personal information on here. I paid $220.10, so it's actually raw hair. I paid $59.80 for a 16-inch, $87.40 for an 18-inch closure. Why would I get an 18-inch closure? Oh, probably because I didn't have a 16-inch closure in stock. That makes sense. And then $64.40 for an 18-inch bundle. Now, they do wholesale. One of the things that I guess it makes sense, because they're really gearing towards customers who are buying in larger bulk. So if you're just buying like one or two bundles, they actually charge you a $25 fee. Yeah, $25 fee. So I had to pay the price for the hair, which is significantly cheaper than any raw hair prices that I've ever come across. But at the same time, like, if you're going to give me the price, just give me the price. Don't charge me a fee on top of it. But I get it. Still cheaper, so I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna knock it. So let's unpackage the hair and see what we're dealing with. Okay. So this is their 18-inch. Y'all know what that look is. I'm a skeptic. I'm gonna admit it. I'm always wary when I'm purchasing hair of what I'm getting. This hair feels tough. We've got some shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a lot of shedding. If you can see it, I just ran my hands through it. Gotta do the shake test, because I feel like there's a decent amount of little flyaways. Not too bad, but enough, if you guys can see it. I don't know how to feel about it. The price is decent, but the hair is not soft. It just has like what's the word that I'm looking for? It feels like it's coated. Yeah, like whatever is on the hair, like I feel it on my hands. Let's go to bundle number 2. Let's see, it's the color right. I'm gonna be honest with you. The texture, the feel that I'm getting, to be honest, is giving me yummy hair extensions all over again. And you guys know how that turned out for me. That didn't turn out good. That didn't feel like it was raw hair, because Juicy Hair Fair has me at this standard that, you know, I thought. So when I got my yummy extensions, I was like, oh, you know, this is raw hair. Maybe this is what I'm to expect. And then when I got the Juicy Hair Fair raw hair, then I realized that, no, this is not what you are to expect. Juicy Hair Fair is where the raw hair is at. And this is right now giving me yummy hair extensions. So I'm going to go into the second bundle with an open mind. And we will see what we have. And this is not 16 inches though. Maybe it is. This is looking like it's more like 12. Let's see. Maybe. I mean, the price is right. And it's just for a work wig. I'm not getting a good feeling about this hair. You guys remember when I unboxed my yummy hair extensions? It tangled the same way. I'm telling you, there is like... It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't have any odor to the hair, but... It's coated with something. And actually... I don't want to say like my suspicions are kind of confirmed, but normally when you use like twist ties, they're white. I feel like this hair has probably been dyed. I'll try to zoom in so you guys can see, or if not, take a picture of it and put it up here or here. I'm probably going to send this back because I don't feel like this is raw hair, or I don't get a good feeling from this. I'm going to try to insert a picture up here, but I don't know if you can see on the little twist tie. Like, I guess they tied it and whatever, and it rubbed off on it. There's like brown marks on here. I don't know, sis. I don't know. Where's this closure at? They gonna be getting this package back. And this is a 5x5 closure. Now this feels nice. Yeah. Okay. What's the issue here? This feels soft and good and nice. But these two bundles, they feel tough. There's something, it's coated with something. It's coated with some, I don't know how else to describe it, but like you can literally, whatever it is, you can actually feel that it's on the hair. I can feel it. I feel like maybe, nope, nope, no, 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 no. Y'all know. Y'all know. Y'all know your girl. If you've been watching my videos about hair, y'all know me. This is not where it's at for me. I'm not doing this. I got a vibe when I unbox the yummy hair extensions, but I'm like, everyone's giving this great review. Let me not be like that. And I didn't follow my instincts and tried to send the hair back, and it was a 4-month-long battle. I'm not doing that with this. I'm just not. You got me. All right. So I'm going to send this back. Yeah, it doesn't. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. So, this closure though, I might recommend their closure. It feels soft. For whatever it's worth, it feels soft. But you guys, if you've watched again any of my videos, then you would hear me say that I don't really like to mix hair companies when it comes to hair. So I'm not going to keep the closure and then get bundles from someone else. I like to buy it all together because I like the hair and the texture and the quality to match. So I'm going to reach out to them. I'm going to send this back. So I'm not sure if this is going to be like my last look for raw hair. You know, Juicy Hair Affair right now is really doing it for me with the raw hair. I guess I'm going to have to continue to wear that as my work wig because it's reliable and the hair is soft and it's bouncy and it's not this. It's not this. So I'll be honest with you guys, I'm torn. The price has me torn. It's a good price. What if it really is real good raw hair? You know, what if I'm overreacting? But I just feel like based on my experience that I had last time, I just don't want to take the chance. Like, I don't know, can you guys blame me for not wanting to take the chance on this hair? You know how you can just feel something in your gut? I felt it in my gut, like I said in the beginning of the video, earlier in the video. I felt it in my gut about the yummy extensions, and I'm feeling it now, and I can't shake the feeling. I have to reach out to them to see if I can send it back. I'm not sure what their return policy is. I feel as though I've read that there's a restocking fee. I'm not paying no restocking fee on hair that I feel has been coated with something, so I'm definitely going to come to you guys once I've reached out to them, or you know, once I've sent the hair back, because this hair is going back. How does that happen? How does the closure feel soft and the hair just feels like yummy hair extensions? And like I said, I'm going to take this picture. It's going to be in this video. You can actually see that there's brown marks on this. And I don't want to say like I feel like it's been dyed, but I feel like it's been dyed, because if your hair is naturally brown and you put a white barrette in it, is your hair going to bleed color? Think about that. So yeah, I'm going to reach out to them. I'm going to send this back because I'm getting a bad feeling. The twist eyes being bled from color on the inside is not also giving me a good feeling. But yeah, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.